The table below shows the percentage of students from different countries studying at a particular university in the UK in 2000, 2010, and 2020.
The table elucidates the proportion of students from various countries enrolled at a UK university between 2000 to 2020. Overall, the student body's composition shifted, with a marked increase in Chinese and Indian students and a corresponding decline in UK representation. In 2000, UK students accounted for a substantial 60%, while Malaysian students comprised the largest international contingent at 10%. In stark contrast, Chinese and Indian students constituted a mere 5% and 3%, respectively. Over the ensuing 2 decades, this picture changed dramatically. By 2020, Chinese students accounted for a quarter of the student population, and Indian students made up 15%. The proportion of UK students plummeted to 40%, underscoring a significant erosion of their dominance. Malaysian students followed a downward trajectory, settling at 6%. In conclusion, the data paints a clear picture of a university undergoing significant internationalization. The burgeoning presence of Chinese and Indian students points to a profound demographic transformation, reflecting broader global trends in international education.
The breakdown. Paragraph 1, Introduction. Main theme: the overall change in the student body's composition at the UK university between 2000 and 2020, highlighting increases in Chinese and Indian students and a corresponding decrease in UK students. Paragraph 2, Data for 2000. Main theme: the significant dominance of UK students in 2000 and the relatively small presence of students from other countries, particularly China and India. Paragraph 3, Data for 2010 and 2020. Main theme: the dramatic shift in student demographics over the 2 decades, emphasizing the rise of Chinese and Indian students and the decline of UK students. Concluding paragraph. Main theme: the overall internationalization of the university and its reflection of global trends in higher education. Here are the key differences between effective introductions and conclusions of the essay. Example 1. The introduction begins with the data's purpose that the table elucidates the proportion of students from various countries enrolled at a UK university between 2000 and 2020. This contrasts with the conclusion offering a more interpretative summary that in conclusion, the data paints a clear picture of a university undergoing significant internationalization. Example 2. A more detailed point in the introduction that overall, the student body's composition shifted, with a marked increase in Chinese and Indian students and a corresponding decline in UK representation. Compare this to the conclusion, offering a deeper analysis and a broader summary that the burgeoning presence of Chinese and Indian students points to a profound demographic transformation, reflecting broader global trends in international education. Paraphrases. 1. The proportion of students from various countries. The largest international contingent. A quarter of the student population. The proportion of UK students. 2. A marked increase in. The burgeoning presence of. 3. The student body's composition shifted. This picture changed dramatically. A profound demographic transformation. Undergoing significant internationalization. Broader global trends in international education. 4. A corresponding decline in. followed a downward trajectory. Plummeted to 40%, settling at 6%. 5. Substantial. Considerable. 6. Account for. Constitute. Make up. 7. Between 2000 and 2020. Over 2 decade.
Thank you for watching. Please give us like, share, comment, and subscribe for more useful videos. Bye.